Are you ready to dig up some donkeys? Stick around. Hey folks, Keith here, Chicken Thigh Fishing. Time to rock and roll. We are on the beautiful and quite large Lake Wequaquet in Barnstable, Massachusetts. We're gonna be here all night. It's the afternoon now. I'm gonna do some exploring, find some fish, have some fun, settle down at nighttime and do some serious late night lunkers and some top water. And we're gonna stay all night, bring up the sun, and hopefully get some of those morning donkeys. This is a deep lake, a lot of deep spots on it, so we're gonna be using a lot of crankbaits, a lot of spinner baits, a lot of stuff that I can get down on shelves, and we'll talk about it as we go. Gorgeous day, can't beat this. I gotta believe this is a lot what heaven's like. Let's go. I'm gonna start off by approaching an island. It's a kind of a point here, and it's got a lot of nice tapers in the structure, and we're gonna start here. I'm gonna throw a lipless crankbait and see what that gets us. We'll probably throw 20 baits tonight. We got a long night ahead of us. Okay. Now that's what I call a first fish of the day. Yes. That's how we start. That there is a very nice first fish of the day, and I will take it. Beautiful. All right, here we go. All right, I finally got it out of the net, so that came on my Magnum Gill Sonic. And he was right on a point. bass there. Just got him off a boat. And I got him on my trusty spinnerbait. I've thrown about 10 different baits, and the only thing I caught was that nice bass on that oversized lipless crankbait. And I just started throwing my spinner. I just picked that one off a boat. That's a little bit better. I hate when I miss the boat flip. A little better on this one. All right, here we go. First donkey of the night. All right, there's our first donkey of the night. Nice 4-pounder there. Nice. Nice. He was right on a buoy on the beach here. Nice fish. All right. Yeah, he's definitely on the upside of 4. Yes, sir. All right. Say goodbye. All right, that's good. That's good. Now I'm psyched.
Oh, did you go to Domino's?
Yes.
Okay,
Is that you? Are you the guy?
yes.
Oh, they said it was going to be 40 minutes.
Okay, do it.
Okay, I'm going to pull right over here, okay? I'll be there in a second. That's funny how that worked out, because I thought I was where I wanted to be. And I really didn't have any intention of fishing in this area right here. And I didn't have my mind set on docks or boats or anything. And I realized I forgot to bring my sandwiches, so I had to call Domino's to deliver to the ramp. And so on the way in, I hit some docks and boats, and sure enough, I start hitting fish. So now I'm going to change my approach. And now I'm all set. Got myself a pizza. I absolutely didn't order cinnamon breadsticks. Well, I did, but I only ate 4 of them. I ate the whole box. Oh, this could be a good fish. right. Another one on the Magnum Gill Sonic. Look at that little fat guy. He's gonna grow up and be a hog. Nice. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Wow, that was a big hit. Not a huge fish, but wow, what a hit. He just pummeled that. That was just my spinnerbait, and I'm right off a very shallow island. Wow, look what he did to my spinnerbait. Holy crap. Strong, fat and strong. Nice fish. All right, crush that spinnerbait. Man, yeah, rearranging my spinnerbaits tonight. Morning, donkey. Yes, sir. That is what I'm talking about. Donkey. Well, you get to go. Oh boy. Oh man. I thought that was a enormous bass. And it's not. It's an enormous pike. Good Lord. Well, folks, we dug up those donkeys. Thanks for being with us. We'll see you next time. Until then, stay fishing, my friends.